Once you have adjusted the link to ChatGPT, you can ask ChatGPT which edits it suggests for your document. You can go to your writing tools. What you're going to notice at the very bottom is we can click on top of the editing pencil and we will be suggesting edits. What you'll then notice is that we can then click the arrow in order for ChatGPT to start its analysis of the document in order to suggest edits. And what you're going to see is that ChatGPT will then begin to add on the right side different places where it suggests you make changes to the document. What you can do is once you have these edit suggestions is to scroll up to the top. You can then click on top of the edit suggestion. You're going to see the sentence that it suggests as an edit. If you want to apply ChatGPT's suggestion, you can click apply. And ChatGPT will make this adjustment in real time. You can then move on to the next place. If you want to apply the adjustment, you can click apply. So basically, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be determining if ChatGPT's suggestion is one you want to make, and if so, you're going to click apply. You will see on the left side menu that you will have a record of everything that ChatGPT is doing inside of your document. And so our document is now complete with all of the changes suggested to us by ChatGPT. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.